Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add items to cart on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Foodpanda application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you're having struggles with that, you can always go on your YouTube channel and check how you can do it. Now guys, after that, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see in the top left corner, we have your address, we have the search bar, and we have 4 tabs, which are home, shops, search, and the account tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add items to cart on Foodpanda. So basically the first thing that you need to do is go and check out what you would like to buy. So you have your favorite cuisine, so you can click on pizza, Korean, whatever. Click on one of those. And then you have to find the place where you want to eat. So basically for, let's say, Pizza Hut, then you'll have a lot of options on there, what you can buy, what you can buy. So basically you can see everything here. And what you need to do is, as you can see, you have a plus button here. You just need to go and click on that plus button and it will immediately appear in your food cart. So in your shopping bag or whatever you want to call it, which is here in the top right corner. So as you can see, the cart is here. At the moment, it's empty for me, but when you click on plus, add something, it will appear here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be, as I said, everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.